Today start next reaction, Cannizzaro reactions. Everybody, in Cannizzaro reaction, it is characterized by only aldehyde which do not contain alpha hydrogen atom. This reaction is not applicable for the ketone compounds. Look here, it is the characteristic reaction of only aldehyde which does not contain alpha hydrogen atoms such as benzaldehyde, formaldehyde, trimethyl acetaldehyde, chloral, etc. Look here, this reaction also called as a disproportional reaction. Disproportional reaction. Look here, simple. You know formaldehyde HCOH plus HCOH reaction strong. Here 50% of concentrated. Okay. Look here, it is a redox reaction. The redox reaction of only aldehyde which do not contain a alpha hydrogen atom. Look here, the redox reaction of only aldehyde which do not contain alpha hydrogen atom warmed with or heated with strong NaOH or KOH. Strong NaOH or KOH, it gives corresponding sodium or potassium salt of acid. Sodium or potassium, a salt of acid and alcohol. This reaction is called as a Cannizzaro reaction. This reaction is called as a Cannizzaro reactions. They are also called as a disproportional reactions. Everybody, two molecules of aldehyde. You know, first is a formaldehyde. You know formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. In bracket methanol. IUPAC names of the compound. Methanol. Methanol. Strongly heated with the 50% of Na, which means strong. Strong is a caustic soda. Strong caustic soda. You know product. Look here, in this reaction, one aldehyde molecule is reduced to convert into primary alcohol. Means methyl alcohol here. CH3OH methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol. Look here, IUPAC names of methyl alcohol, methanol. IUPAC methanol. IUPAC methanol plus another aldehyde molecule is oxidized, convert into sodium or potassium salt of acid, means HCO minus Na plus. Na plus. Look here, name of the compound here, sodium formate. Sodium formate. Okay. Look here, everybody, statement of in this reaction, the redox reaction of only aldehyde which do not contain, which do not contain alpha hydrogen atom, heated with strong. Look here, sodium, is NaOH means sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. It gives corresponding. It gives a corresponding, a primary alcohol means primary alcohol and sodium or potassium salt of carboxylic acid. This reaction is called as Cannizzaro reaction. The reaction also called as a disproportional reaction. Disproportional reaction. Look here, everybody, a simple example here, methanol means formaldehyde. When two molecules of formaldehyde. Look here, both compounds containing alpha hydrogen atom. No alpha hydrogen atom. Heated with strong caustic soda. Strong caustic soda means 50% of NaOH. It gives the mixture of a methyl alcohol and sodium formate. Methyl alcohol and sodium formate. Okay? Yes. Look here, everybody. Next, it is, this reaction is a self-redox reaction. reaction is a self-redox reaction. Self-redox reaction. Everybody, here one aldehyde molecule is reduced, it convert into primary alcohol, okay, and second aldehyde molecule is oxidized to convert into carboxylate ion or means sodium or potassium salt of acid. Sodium or potassium salt of acid. Okay. Look here, second example. Look here, second example by using the benzaldehyde. Next example is benzaldehyde. Okay. You know benzaldehyde like this. Okay, COH. Correct? Yes. Name of the compound benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. Look here, how many molecules here? 2 molecules. Okay, repeat, 2 molecules. 2 molecules. Like this, you know, COH. Correct? Yes, benzaldehyde. Look here, 2 molecules of benzaldehyde heated with, you know, strong caustic soda means strong NaOH. How many percentage here? 50% strong caustic soda. You know? Yes. Look here, product here, simple. A 1 aldehyde is reduced to convert into CH2OH like this. Name of the compound benzyl alcohol. Name of the compound benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. And second compound salt of acid means like this. Okay. O minus Na plus. Name of the compound sodium benzoate. Second compound sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate. Correct? Look here everybody, simple question. What is the action of strong caustic soda? What is the action of strong caustic soda on benzaldehyde? When benzaldehyde is heated with a 50% of caustic soda means sodium hydroxide, it gives a mixture of benzyl alcohol and sodium benzoate. Benzyl alcohol and sodium benzoate. Look here, simple. Strong caustic soda in the Canisius reaction, okay, you know, next to the everybody dilute caustic soda, aldol condensation reaction. Dilute caustic soda, aldol condensation reaction, strong caustic soda, a Canisius reactions. Look here, next everybody, a next point, a cross Canisius reaction. Next is a cross Canisius reaction. Cross Canisius reaction. Look here, what is meant by, everybody, what is meant by cross Canisius reactions? You know, cross Canisius reaction. Okay, cross Canisius reaction. You know what is my cross Canisius reaction? Look here, the reaction in which two different aldehydes, which do not contain alpha hydrogen atom, okay, undergoes Canisius reaction is called as a cross Canisius reaction. Cross Canisius reaction. What is my cross Canisius reaction, everybody? Two different carbonyl compound with two different aldehydes molecules which do not contain alpha hydrogen atom under a Canisius reaction are called as cross Canisius reaction. Cross Canisius reaction. Look here example here, benzaldehyde, you know, benzaldehyde plus like this, HCO, H means formaldehyde. Look here, heated with 50% of, you know, 50% of strong caustic soda, okay, heating, you know, product. Look here, any reaction, formaldehyde is easily oxidized than the benzaldehyde, convert into sodium benzoate. Look here, one reactant, okay, everybody, one of the two is compound is a formaldehyde in case of reactant. In case of a reactant, look here, product is, everybody, product is convert this sodium formate, no another. Look here, why? Formaldehyde easily oxidized. Formaldehyde easily oxidized. Okay, if two compounds, one of the reactant is formaldehyde, a product is same, means which is the sodium formate or potassium formate. You know product here, look here, like this benzyl alcohol, answer like this, CH2OH, right? Name of the compound benzyl alcohol. Name of the compound benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol plus HCO minus Na plus means sodium formate. Sodium formate. Everybody, example of, this is the example of cross Cannizzaro reaction. Cross Cannizzaro reaction. Look here, simple. What is the action of strong caustic soda or NaOH on the mixture of the benzaldehyde and the formaldehyde? You know here, everybody, faint mixture of benzaldehyde and formaldehyde is heated with 50% of NaOH. It gives the mixture of benzyl alcohol and sodium formate. Benzyl alcohol and sodium formate. Okay? Yes. Look here, only change here. Look here, only change. Only change here. Like this. You know, yeah, COH. Name of the compound formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. Next example, like this. Okay, COH. COH. Benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. Look here, faint mixture of the formaldehyde and benzaldehyde is heated with 50% of sodium hydroxide. You know, product is the same. Benzyl alcohol and sodium formate. Formaldehyde easily, okay, oxidize than benzaldehyde to form the same product. To form a same product. Everybody, simple questions. Look here, how many products are formed? How many products are formed in case of formaldehyde, benzaldehyde undergoes cross or undergoes Cannizzaro reaction? No cross, directly a Cannizzaro reaction. You know, first product, everybody. First is a self condensation, self Cannizzaro reaction, formaldehyde and formaldehyde. Second, benzaldehyde and benzaldehyde. Third, formaldehyde and benzaldehyde. And fourth, benzaldehyde and formaldehyde. How many products here formed? A 4 product is formed. 4 product is formed. Okay. Look here, a simple reaction. Look here, a simple question, everybody. The most important question, give the scientific reason. Faint methanol is strongly heated with strong caustic soda. Cannizzaro reaction. Give the scientific reason. Faint ethanol is heated with dilute caustic soda reaction, aldol condensation reaction. Aldol condensation reaction. Look here cross, everybody. You know, here a cross Cannizzaro reaction. Self Cannizzaro reaction, second cross Cannizzaro reaction. Both reaction is nucleophilic addition reaction. Both reaction is nucleophilic addition reaction. Cannizzaro reaction, okay, characterized by only aldehyde which do not contain alpha hydrogen atom. In aldol condensation reaction, look here, this reaction characterized by aldehyde and ketone having alpha hydrogen atom. Both, okay. This is the two difference in both the reaction. Okay, a simple reaction, Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, stop here. Thank you.